Hello everyone, my name is AKARSH and I am from Hyderabad and I have pursued my M.TECH category dual degree with Chennai campus in specialization of software engineering stream in 2023. And here I have joined as Python full stack developer course in January 2024 29th date, and who taught me subjects were Python by Santosh sir, SQL by Gautam sir, web technology by Vishwa ma'am and Ingraj sir, Django by Sagar sir, and React.js by Shiva sir. And coming to my trainers who taught me, they were very friendly, supportive and interactive because they helped me not only theoretical but also they helped me in hands-on implementation, and wherever I got stuck or doubt, they helped me a lot. And with the help of mock interviews and grooming session, I was able to overcome my nervousness facing interviews and improve my confidence and communication skills. And I got placed. Thank you, Jspiders, Punjagutta.